huge resistance level in the previous days over here. Currently right now, you can actually see that we are trading on a good resistance level over here, and people most big banks are actually using this to actually enter the market. They are currently buying, people are currently buying on this level. So we'll be discussing what is currently holding Bitcoin from actually breaking the zone, and let us actually check in the 1 hour time frame. Right, in the 1 hour time frame, we are actually going to see that there is a big resistance that is currently holding the market ever since we actually break this level here. Right, let us go over here. You can actually see that there is a very huge resistance level after breaking the market at this uptrend. You can actually see that. Okay, here will be the other structure we can actually look at, and here is the highest top that we can actually look at, and you can actually see the market still follows the same structure. But over here right now, guys, we have actually break bullish, but we actually got rejected. But I think, are we going to actually still retain more strength in the market, or are we actually going to go downward in the market? Of course, that is a good point that we can actually look at. Let us look at the 4 hour time frame. Right, in the 4 hour time frame, we are actually going to zoom where what is currently happening in the market. Right, over here we actually have a breakout. This is a good panel that we actually break out from. Right, we break bullish at this point. Right, before we actually at this point, from this point we break bullish from this point before we actually trade on this resistance level. And if you be checking out on this resistance level, you can actually see that this resistance level have been on about 7 days now. If you can actually check in the 1 day time frame, you can actually see that this resistance level here is holding for about 7 days. Here we see each of these tick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think 8 days. This trend had been holding for 8 days, and we are still consolidating on the resistance level currently right now, because we are currently, if I be checking up for 2 hour time frame, you can actually see that we have been currently trading on a particular zone. Okay, right here we have a higher top. Right here we have a good point to actually look at the market. A good point to actually look at the market. These edges give us more way to actually check out the market and what is currently happening in the market. Over here we actually break out, break down, break out, break down, break out. So are we actually going to go down more? I don't know. Of course, we have actually make a good attempt to actually break out of this level. We actually make a good attempt to break out of this level, and we can actually see that Bitcoin is actually trying to retreat again. Of course, anytime we actually see this long stick here that does not continue the market way upward, we can actually see more rejection on this. It happened on this level where the stick goes up, and we see more rejection on this. But this is not yet confirmed. Of course, we may actually see more significant up move in the market, or we may actually see a retrace back down in the market. So this is the level. This is a very good level that we should actually pay attention to, because if we currently see right now, we can actually see that Bitcoin is currently trending on this range. Until we see a huge breakout course. Over here we actually break up, break down, and break down. Here we are hiding to the upside, and we can actually see this top stick over here which got rejected because the market is trying to actually regain back strength to actually come down again. So this is the best point we actually wait at. This is the best point I'm actually looking on to actually see more move in the market. So once we actually break up to the market, we can actually see more bullish in the market. But if we break down, I think we are actually going to go bearish in the market. But if I should be looking at the 1 day time frame, of course the 1 day time frame is a good point that you are actually looking at. Of course, you may actually see the bearish level over here, but over here, of course, I told you guys that we are actually going to see a resistance level over here, because this resistance level, you can actually see that this was the past resistance level and over here is holding that the same level. Of course, you may actually break out. Yes, that is what I'm currently waiting for, a very big breakout in the market. Because currently right now, what is the currently move? What is the country news that is actually going on, that many big banks are actually buying Bitcoin at this particular level? So I think that will be a very good opportunity for Bitcoin to actually see more move in the market, right? But currently right now we actually we are actually talking what is currently based on in the market, right? Of course, if I should be actually looking down for Bitcoin, I will actually see a retreat back. Of course, this is a previous level where I actually want Bitcoin to actually dress down to before heading back to the market. Of course, that is the level I'll be waiting for Bitcoin to actually hit before dressing back to the market. So let us pay attention to what is coming up in the crypto market. Of course, I'm actually waiting for this reversal, and if I see more significant move to the market, that will be a very good level for Bitcoin, and that will be a very good confirmation for us to actually go bullish in the market. And if I'll be waiting for more confirmation in the market, I'll be waiting for $32,000 for us to actually hit, for us to get more significant move to the upside, right? Of course, this is a good point that we actually need to break out right now, right? This is a particular point we actually need to break out, and if I'll be taking you guys to the 1 hour time frame, you can actually see that here we actually break up to the upside, right, which was taking us to about $31,000 to $31,282 right now on Binance, right? And of course, I'm waiting for more significant move to the upside in the market. Of course, this tick here can have actually create a down stick here, and I actually want more significant move in the market, right? Of course, I'm currently waiting for Bitcoin to actually go up, because I think that is the main point that Bitcoin is currently waiting for in the market, right? So if I'll be checking out that since we are breaking this level, I think if Bitcoin want to retrace back, it's actually going to retrace back to this level for heading back to the market. So this is the best level to actually pay attention to over here in the market. So if I'll be checking out for the hour time frame, actually see different moves that is currently happening in the market, right? Let's look at for the hour time frame. I'm going to discuss something important with you, of course. Let's go for the 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's go for the 15-hour time frame. Okay, so heading to the 15-hour time frame, you can actually see that here is the big, also a good resistance level where Bitcoin okay, let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. Let us actually check previously what happened in the market. So we should actually pay attention to what is coming to the market very, very soon, right? We are on a good resistance level currently right now. We are on a good resistance level on Bitcoin. That's why we actually need to pay attention to this huge resistance level that is currently trending on this market. Of course, anything can obviously happen. We can actually go down the retracing market, and if we go down, we'll be waiting here for a good support before retracing back to the market, right? Of course, that is what you have to have in mind. Of course, if we actually break more bullish, that will be a significant bullish momentum for Bitcoin to actually go more higher to the market, right? So if we actually break the resistance level above the upside, I'll be looking for $32,000. But if we break down, I'll be looking for about the range of 3,300. I think that would be a good support, and we have another support here, which is 29,005. These are the two good support we actually have in Bitcoin, right? So if we're actually waiting for Bitcoin, we're actually waiting for either here retracing back to the market, or we'll come down to this place retracing back to the market. So that is what I'm currently focusing on. Of course, if you want to actually see more significant move to the market, or if you are actually seeing more significant move to the market on Bitcoin, you can actually see that Bitcoin is going to actually head to $32,000 on Bitcoin. And once we hit $32,000, we are going to actually go more bullish in the market, because there will actually give us a good confirmation that we are on the bull market. Of course, I'll actually buy more coins, which I'll be discussing on this video. And if I actually go to the search button here, let's type in ATM. I think this coin is going to do pretty good in the crypto market very soon, because I actually see more move coming up on this coin, right? ATM. So right, ATM, you can actually see it here, ATM/USDT, and if you actually see this coin, you can actually see this reversal mode over here. Of course, I'm not checking out for this, but let us actually view to the 1 week time frame. Let us actually view to the 1 week time frame, and let's see what this coin got. Right, you can see over here that this coin is going to actually create more levels in the market, but I think the way to actually make more profit on this coin is to actually bag it right now. So that's why I'm holding this coin. Of course, we actually see a top here, a top stick here, a top stick here. So I'm actually waiting to actually sell this coin for the rate of $3. Of course, $3 is actually good, pretty good. $4 will be a very good point to actually sell this coin now, because this coin have actually been facing low movement. Of course, I want to actually see more trace back to the upside in the crypto market. Okay, so this is the best point to actually check out this coin right now, because this coin goes down, creating these down levels, and goes up. Over since then we have actually been trending below these lower trend lines. Okay, so we're actually waiting for breakout. So that is the main point I'm actually looking for. So of course, let me actually take out to MAV. MAV has been launched, was launched on Binance, was listed on Binance and listed on Gate.io. I think this coin is going to do pretty good, so I've actually bagged some of these coins. Okay, the next coin we'll be talking about is an XVG. I think this coin is going to actually create more massive moves in the market, right? So currently right now, you can actually see that this coin have actually break the yellow line and break the pink line in 1 week time frame. Okay, so that means if we are to create another trend line, it's going to actually lead us up to the market, right? So I think this coin will be a very good coin to actually invest on. Okay, so I've already bagged this coin because I know it's going to do pretty good in the coming up months, right? So guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do have to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so anytime I drop video like this, you'll be notified. So remember to like this video and share it with your family and friends, right? If you want to actually get to it, if you want to actually start trading and know how to trade crypto, I'll be recommending Binance for you and Gate.io, right? These exchanges help you to actually trade cryptocurrency, all type of cryptocurrencies, and you can actually buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Okay, so it's very, very nice. Don't forget to check the link in the description of this video for you to actually get started. So now I'm going to see you. Peace out. I'm going to see my next video. Goodbye.